Russia is pushing for its newest combat drone to be mass-produced and used by its armed forces as soon as possible. The S-70 Okhotnik or Hunter in Russian drone will reportedly join the Russian Air Force a year earlier than the planned 2024. That means the Hunter, which has been in development for 10 years, will be a high-performance combat drone designed for large-scale conventional warfare missions serving a country. Director General of United Aircraft Corporation, Russia, Yury Slyusar, said his company would start supplying the Russian military with the S-70 Okhotnik combat drone UCAV, the Hunter, which has been in development for 10 years, after 2 tests by the military, which will be completed in 2023-2024. Slyusar followed a call from the Russian Ministry of Defense to speed up its work. Slyusar describes the Okhotnik as a large combat drone with unprecedented capabilities, having the longest combat flight mission range, the most weapons-carrying capabilities. Russian media first discovered this drone when photos of it were uploaded on social media in January 2019. At that time, the Okhotnik was allegedly undergoing ground tests at a test installation in Novosibirsk. The first flight was carried out exactly a year ago at the Shkolov Aviation Factory in the southwestern Russian province of Astrakhan. This drone takes the form of a boomerang with a large suction channel or air intake at the top of the front, and a camouflaged engine nozzle. The design was made by the Sukhoi Design Bureau, which is famous as a manufacturer of Russian fighter aircraft from the Cold War era until now. The latest, the Sukhoi Su-35 Flanker E, and the Sukhoi Su-57 Felon. Nearly 20 tons in weight, the Okhotnik is equivalent to 2 American F-15 Eagle fighter jet engines. This drone is designed to be able to carry more than 6 tons of weapons, including providing space for surface-to-air missiles. Designed to have a cruising range of up to 3,240 miles or 5,214 kilometers, and a maximum speed of 620 miles per hour, or almost 1,000 kilometers per hour. The Okhotnik was described from the start as a drone capable of carrying out manned fighter aircraft support missions. The Hunter can reportedly execute strike missions against important enemy targets, including air defense systems, base units, and others. Okhotnik is part of Russia's efforts to match the West in automated weapon systems. The United States, which has used armed drones since the terrorist attacks of September 11, 2011, America does have the MQ-9 Reaper drone, which killed Iranian Revolutionary Guard General Qasem Soleimani in January, which it has used since 2010, but this has only been optimized for conflicts with insurgent groups. Against air defenses filled with modern weaponry, the Reaper could probably be shot down straight away.